Apple may have just made its boldest iPhone decision in years. And if these latest leaks are accurate, the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just getting another routine upgrade, it's getting changes that could make even longtime Android users stop and take a second look. Because for the first time in years, Apple seems ready to challenge the competition instead of simply refining what already works. And one of the biggest surprises, a fan-favorite color is reportedly making a dramatic comeback, but that's only the beginning. According to multiple reports, Apple is preparing a camera upgrade that no previous iPhone has ever had, a feature photographers have been requesting for years. Let's break down everything leaked so far. Starting with the design. The latest production frame leaks suggest Apple is refreshing the Pro lineup with 4 premium finishes: silver and new cloud blue, a rich dark cherry, and most importantly, black. And if you've followed iPhone launches for a while, you know why that's a big deal. But while the colors look exciting, the real story is hidden inside the camera system. Because Apple is reportedly introducing a variable aperture lens. The lens stays in the same position all the time while software handles lighting adjustments. With a variable aperture system, the lens can physically change its opening size. In darker environments, it opens wider to capture more light. In bright conditions, it closes down to improve detail and depth across the scene. Interestingly, leaks suggest Apple isn't making the phone itself much thicker. Instead, the camera module is expected to grow slightly to accommodate the new mechanism. Another major change could be happening behind the lens. Now let's talk battery life. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature the largest battery ever placed inside an iPhone. Paired with Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip built on an advanced manufacturing process, efficiency could improve significantly. Imagine charging your phone overnight, using it heavily throughout the next day and still having enough power left for the following morning. That's the kind of battery performance Apple appears to be targeting. There's also good news on the front. The selfie camera is rumored to receive a major resolution boost, helping deliver sharper photos, clearer video calls, and more flexibility when cropping images. And then there's the display. Reports suggest Apple is reducing the size of the dynamic island once again. Not removing it completely, but making it noticeably smaller. That means more screen space and a cleaner viewing experience without sacrificing Face ID functionality. And perhaps the most surprising leak of all: pricing. While many smartphone brands continue increasing flagship prices, reports suggest Apple is trying to keep the iPhone 18 Pro lineup close to current pricing levels. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhone releases we've seen in a very long time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more smartphone leaks, tech news, and future iPhone updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.